Yo, what is up, YouTube? Today we're back with, well, not really another video. This is the first one of the channel, but just wanted to give y'all a quick little what's it called, basically just showing y'all my new VALVETRONIC muffler. This is a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT, and yeah, you know, I've been seeing a lot of stuff on YouTube about the 5.0s with the VALVETRONIC muffler on all that, but never seen one on an Ecoboost, so thought I'd just make this video to show y'all. This is gonna be the first of many, hopefully, showcasing my truck build. I'll put the full build in the description if y'all guys are wondering. And yeah, so first off, we're gonna start with the stock sound of the truck. And then we're gonna go into some closed valve, startup, revs, flybys, all that. And then we'll open up the valves, let y'all take a look. And I did recently just get a resonator delete, so it does sound a lot better now, but that's going to be a new future video. So let's get into it. I hope y'all enjoy. Startup. Alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video. Once again, this is just your basic universal muffler from VALVETRONIC exhaust. I'll link where I got it in the description, but yeah, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss an update. And first of many, hopefully. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. See ya.